Good day, Mr. Secretary. I am Michael Mane and I'm your butler for today. Can I help you with your luggage, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. Is there any fragile inside your luggage, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Shall we go to the front desk? Miss Secretary has arrived. Will you please assist with Miss Secretary? Can I get a BIN card of Miss Secretary? By the way, Miss Secretary, please allow me to explain our facilities. This is the swimming pool, which is open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Then this is the karaoke bar, which is open from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Then, ma'am, the fitness gym is located to the second floor. Third floor, please. Okay, ma'am, shall we go to your room? This is your BIN card, ma'am. Please put the inside the beside the door. Please come in, ma'am. Please allow me to explain your room, which is has 50 inches television and refrigerator. Inside your refrigerator has drinks, and please keep in your mind that everything you taken will be charged on your account. Okay, ma'am, this is your bathroom. Your bathroom has a bathtub and shower room. Ma'am, where do you want to place your luggage? Ma'am, do you want me to unpack your luggage? Okay, ma'am, is there anything I can help you with? If there's anything you need, ma'am, please dial 0 for a front desk. Butler service. Butler service. Butler service. Are you ready for checkout, ma'am? Okay, ma'am, this way. Front desk, Miss Secretary is all ready for checkout. Thank you very much, ma'am, for choosing Emmaus Hotel. We hope we see you again. Thank you.